Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. I'm terribly sorry about the delay on my update. I did have some technical issues with the video that I already recorded, so I had to actually pack this unit back into the box so I can do another unboxing for you guys. I'm terribly sorry about the delay, and without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and show you today the new portable power station, 296 watt hours, and this is called the GRIZZLY by Outdoor Tech. So you will be wondering, what exactly can I do with this thing? Well, let me tell you, this is a huge battery that will allow you to actually charge pretty much anything in your camping ground. So if you wish to go maybe outside of the grid, this thing, it's for you. And I'm gonna show you exactly what is inside the box so you guys can actually see exactly what you guys will be getting. So first of all, I wanna go ahead and kick it off with the box design. So Outdoor Tech is doing a very good job with their boxes, and all the information that you guys need will be right here. So let me start by kicking it off by showing you guys that this is a 296 watt hours battery. So I think it's like about 80,000 milliamps, something like that. This will be for power for indoor, outdoor, and emergencies. It has a charge and power multiple devices at the same time, and you can recharge it via AC, 12 volts on your car, or USB-C or solar panel. This is important. You guys will be wondering, but why exactly? That is because over there in the background, I do have the Dawn solar panel and the Mountaineer backpack. I will show you guys that at the very end of the video. I want to go ahead and focus on the GRIZZLY right here. So as you guys can see, I'm going to go ahead and flip over the box. So you guys have 4 ways to charge it. You can charge it USB-C, car charge, solar charge, and normal wall plug. So if you want to go off the grid, you guys, the perfect combo will be with the solar panel in order to charge and store your power in this unit. So that's the best way you guys can do that. So over here, I'm going to show you guys the 4 ways that you can actually charge your unit. It comes included with a car charger and an AC adapter. So you don't need anything else besides this unit. But if you definitely want to get that, good camping combo, the Dawn solar panel will be the best option. All right, so we're gonna flip over the box one more time. And basically it says over here, portable power when you need it. So you guys will be getting a huge battery in order to actually store power and charge your devices. It has a bunch of connections that I will show you in just 1 second. And that way you guys know exactly what you guys will be getting. Now, the USB ports actually give you 3 different options of charging. So it will be power delivery, which translates to super fast charging, quick charge, which is basically fast charging, and normal normal USB charging, which is 5 volts to amps. Also, you have a 12 volt connector. This one is a 296 watt hour lithium battery, and also has 2 300 watt AC outlets. So I'm going to show you guys that in just 1 second. Besides that, I want to go ahead and show you over here. So you will be wondering, well, what can I charge with this? Well, pretty much anything. I have been using it with my laptop, which it has a faulty battery already. And this has been the perfect thing. So I can just move myself to the living room, just hook it up to this thing, and I just can continue working while I watch my shows. So pretty much a huge deal over here. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and pop open the box to show you guys exactly what is inside this thing. The weight, if you are concerned about the weight of this unit, this one goes for about, I would say like 7.5 pounds, something like that. So it is a big box, but you guys will survive if you're going camping. I have to say the packing material on this unit, it's pretty good. So you guys know that this will not get damaged during shipping, but let's not test USPS or UPS or FedEx, right? So guys, let me just kind of try to adjust my camera over here. I have a new tripod and it's really fighting me over in the last couple of days. All right, guys, so let me go ahead and just switch over to something smaller right here so I can show you properly the unit in a comfortable way. Thank you so much for waiting. So the first thing that you guys will be able to find will be a sticker. Remember to show off your SWAT. And also the user manual. Take a quick look. This will have all the information that you need. Inside the box, on the packing material at the bottom, so they did something very clever that I want to show you guys. So this is the styrofoam block at the bottom, and if you flip it over, you guys will be able to find a box right here with the charging cables. I'm just gonna set it aside for now so I can show you actually how the unit looks like. So as I mentioned, 7 pounds is not that heavy, but not that small either, but this has a lot of power. So the very first thing that you guys will be able to see over here will be the input. Over here we have a 4mm connector. This one will be to charge the unit with the AC, with the car, or with the solar panel. If you guys want to charge your unit with the USB-C, you can just plug it in right here. You have two AC adapters. You have also a 12-volt adapter right here. It's covered by a little waterproof cap, just in case. We have some more DC connections here, and this is the LED light that comes included with the unit. So you guys will be wondering, well, why is it perfect for camping? Because you just need to press one button and you will get a super bright light. Also, it has SOS signaling, just in case if you need to alert the authorities, they need some help in your camping ground. This is the best way to do it. All right, so now that I turn on the unit, it's very simple right here. I'm gonna show you the box real quick so you guys can actually see that you guys have the car connector and the AC adapter right here in order to charge it at home or in your car. So you don't need to buy anything else besides the unit. But if you're trying to go off the grid and maybe, you know, go camping for a couple of days, the best way to charge the unit will be with this Dawn solar panel that I have in the back right there. Hey, in order to stay dry, get the Mountaineer backpack. Alrighty, so going back to the unit, and while I readjust my fudging. All right, so I've been struggling with this thing for the whole week. All right, so a couple of things that you guys will be able to notice over here. It has a plastic cover in the screen. I haven't removed it. I liked it that way. So what you guys will be able to get with this unit. So the very first thing that you guys will get, it's a very simple connection right there. So if, for example, I want to go ahead and plug in my Buckshot Pro Ultra and start charging it with my Calamari Ultra that has all the connections that I need, I'm just gonna simply plug it in at the bottom, right? I also have a fuel plus lantern plus power bank right here. This is the power bank and this is the lantern side. I'm gonna charge it as well by using the Grizzly, and I'm gonna go ahead and set them both over here at the normal USB charging ports. All right, so I plug them in both. All right, so now in order to actually make the unit charge your devices, all you have to do is press the USB or, you know, whatever port you're gonna be using, and immediately the unit will show you how much battery it has, what are the working time hours, what port are you using, and what is the wattage that you're actually getting out of the unit. This is for you to actually make calculations of how much juice is on this thing and how much are you using. So for example, the Kodiak, it's already charging, or it's already glowing red, and the Fuel Plus, it's already charging as well, as you guys can see over there. If I unplug the cables from the unit will detect that it's not charging anymore. So it will be like, hey, I did notice that I'm not charging anything. I'm just gonna shut down on my own. Or if you like, you can also press the power button and stop the charging. Again, let me show you guys. I press the button, I completely shut down the charging to the units, and that's the best way for you to economize, you know, make sure that you actually save every last watt and milliamp from your unit into your other devices. So over here, I just plug it, beep it one more time, and everything is charging again. And on the screen, I can see that I'm actually using 10 watts. And this one will take about, you know, it will give me a working time of 15 hours. And I have a 60% battery left. I have been using this thing for about 2 weeks to charge my laptop every time that I don't want to work in my home office. So it'll just be me working in front of the TV. And since I don't have a really easy connector to actually use with a power cord, I just plug it into this thing and I'm good to go. So guys, weighing 7 pounds of the unit gives you all of these charging options, a bunch of different options in order for you to charge this unit. This unit will be perfect for you to actually go camping, explore, the camping world. If you have never go camping, this one will be the perfect unit for you. And over there in the back, I have the Mountaineer backpack with solar panel. I don't have it attached, but it's inside the backpack. And over there is the solar panel. The Dawn solar panel, as you guys can see, it's a huge thing with double solar cells. So you will get more solar power out of just a, dim light. I do have another video unboxing the Dawn solar panel in the park, so you guys can actually see how exactly that works. And I'm gonna leave you that video right here. Hopefully I'm pointing in the right direction. I don't know, I'll figure that out during editing. But that was basically the Grizzly solar panel. Guys, your support means everything to me. If you guys have any questions about this, please let me know. I'll be more than happy to answer them. And as you guys can see, this is a very cool design, very reliable unit, and it will actually go ahead and, save you a lot of headaches during camping. Just take this thing and you guys will have power. If you guys would like to go ahead and charge it before you go into your camping trip, or if you like to charge it on the go or actually get into the camping site, you guys also have the option to charge it with your car, with the solar panel, or with the USB-C in order to charge the unit or in order to draw power from the unit. So guys, with that, I leave you. If you have any questions, please comment below. And I do hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you have a great one. Bye-bye.